how to clear the memory on your Windows 11 computer. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to clear the cache of your RAM, or otherwise known as memory. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up a start menu, go and search for Task Manager and click on this window. And in the left hand side, click on Performance. And down at the bottom here, you'll be able to see all of your cached RAM. So at the moment, I have 2.9 gigabytes of cache data, and I'm going to show you how we can go in and remove this. So it's really simple. You just need to open up an internet browser, type in Rammap and press enter, and then click on the official Microsoft website. You can then scroll down to the download button and click on this. And this is a Microsoft tool, so it's completely safe for you to use. So click on your downloads folder, and you can then press show in folder. And then we need to go and extract this zip file. So just right click on it, click on extract all, and then press extract. Now, once you're in this folder, you should see all these different files. We just need to double click on the first one, which is Rammap. You can then agree to the terms and conditions, click on empty in the top navigation, and then press empty standby list. And now, as you can see, our cache RAM has dropped all the way down to 148 megabytes. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.